So this is a room tour of Pop Century's 6260 room. This is a corner room and I'm just going to show you around. So we're in the 70s block and you'll come up these stairs here, you'll come round the corner and this here is our room. This is the window that we've decorated and I'm just going to show you inside the room. So we come round 6260. Just come in with my magic band. So you're going to tap your magic band to this here. And here we are, we're inside. So I do apologise, we have been here for a couple of days now. So it does look a little bit messy, but you come in, we do have the Hey Disney, which is just here. It's Hey Disney, tell me a joke.
Do you know what Buzz Lightyear's first words were?
No.
To infancy and beyond.
So yeah, cheesy jokes on Hey Disney. So we have two USB plugs here and one American plug. The Hey Disney is plugged into there. So then you come to a Murphy bed here and we've got two dining room chairs. You do have a fridge, it doesn't come fully stocked, this is just the bits that we have bought recently. I'm just going to move this out the way because it looks a bit messy. And we have Joffrey's coffee, decaf and normal, and we have a Keurig machine. Or a Cullen's Art machine. You do have ice block bucket, you do have cups. Then you come down here, this is your TV. Then you have a nice unit here, which I've put all my bits on, and my mum. And then in here you have a safe, Bible, and two shelves. This one here you have three drawers, which are full, so I'm not going to open those. We have a telephone and another two USB ports and two American plug sockets. You have this lovely wall art here. Doesn't include Chippendale, but you do have a nice double bed here. And I will show you this bed here in just a moment. Then plenty of room for suitcases and there's plenty of room underneath the bed for suitcases also. So this is a view, an overall view of the room. While I turn on the bathroom lights. So in here you have a wardrobe, two shelves, you have an ironing board, you also have an iron, which I believe is in here, yep. You have an iron and a hairdryer, two more shelves above, you have a lovely big vanity unit, which, hi, sink. In here you have the toilet, plenty of towels and a lovely big shower, which I will show you. It's a rainfall shower, a normal shower here. And you do have the H2O products. So this one is shampoo, conditioner and body wash. More towels. And you also have one of these lovely contraption mirrors for checking your pores and with a light. So plenty of room sockets in here. There are also sockets on here, which I'm sorry we've hidden, but there are another two USB ports, another two US sockets there. I don't think there are any others. You do have some more US sockets here. Two bins, one for recycling, one for normal. And I believe that's all for the sockets. I'll just show you this Murphy bed down so that you can see what that looks like also. So this is the Murphy bed, and inside that you do have the Pluto sleeping, and that also has a light with it too. This is the bed that I sleep on, this is the bed that my mum sleeps on, and yeah, I will say that this room is very comfortable. So all in all, this is a fabulous room for a family of four. It would be a little bit tight with a family of four, however you can sleep 4 people. It is 2 queen size beds, and a single sink, A nice large shower area, very clean, very tidy. It does have the hardwood floors, but all in all, an excellent room. Lovely view. So I'm going to show you the view outside. This is our view outside. So this here is Hourglass Lake, and just over the lake, you can't quite see it, but there is the Art of Animation over there. So yeah, all in all, a fantastic room. If you go this way here, you come across the Skyliner. And as I say, across the lake is Art of Animation, which you can actually reach via the Sentry Bridge.